The Noozle3D display stand is a very simple item that allows you to display your Beyblades professionally. What you receive in the package is the stand itself, along with two separate adapters to accommodate different bit sizes. For larger bits like a cell, you will not need an adapter. One adapter is for standard bits such as flat, and the other is for smaller bits such as rush. Every bit size works the same. Insert the bit into the stand's opening. Easy as that. Use the adapters the same way as you do the bits. Insert the adapter, and that'll adjust the size for your selected bit. To remove the adapter, push it out the opposite way that you inserted it. Then you can insert the other adapter if you choose to. With any other questions, email support@noozle3d.com.